Welcome you once again to the One Credit course on PCB designing. Today we are going to simulate the circuit that we did earlier yesterday. Open Protus 8 Professional. Now select the earlier project located under recent projects. Double click it. Okay, the project is open. To simulate it, just run the play button over there. Select the play button. Okay, it will throw you some error about the output and input pins that we defined yesterday. So the thing is, you should not simulate the output pins. You no need to simulate the output pins. So double click it. Okay, you can see exclude from simulation. Select that option and then press OK. Similarly, for the another output pin, you have DC output pin. Double click it, or you can right click and edit options, exclude from PCB simulation, and then select OK. Now you play it. You see the LED is not turned on, but it is not showing any error. The CPU is loaded and the simulation is running, but the LED is not on. Okay, there is some other error. Stop the simulation. You need to give the AC supply to the diode. So select the generator mode and then select sine. Take that probe and then select connect it to the diode. You can double click it to edit its properties. You can rename it. You can give any name as input or anything you want. It is a 15 volt transformer, so I am going to give AC 15. Again you double click it. You select the sine analog type and then give the amplitude as 15 volt and frequency as supply frequency 50 Hz and then select OK. Now you can try to simulate the circuit. If you again simulate the circuit, you can see the circuit is not giving you any output. It is loaded, but the CPU is also loaded, but the simulation is loaded, but the output is not there. The LED is not glowing. So the problem over here is the ground is not given to the circuit. So you have to give the ground. Okay, select the terminal mode and select ground over there and make the center line to ground. Connect it and double click it and give the ground over there. Select it like that and then press OK. Now if you simulate this, you will get the output. Yeah, here the output is shown. The LEDs are glowing. You can check the voltages of the LEDs. We will see it now. To do this, you need to stop the simulation. Afterwards, you can go to probe mode and then select voltage and then place the voltage where you want to measure. You can place it anywhere. Then select the play button. Now you can see the voltages. This plus 12 volt and here it is minus 12 volt. You can also measure the AC side voltage as a graph. To do so, you need to select the graph mode. Select it and then select analog and draw a small graph over here. Then drag the name and place it into the graph. Similarly, you can see this one also. Drag it and place it into the graph. Similarly, you can drag it and place it into the graph. Now you have to press the spacebar button to run the graph. Okay, now you can see the graph is simulated and the outputs are plotted for you. Okay, you can maximize the graph by clicking the maximize show window. You can see the graph in the maximized window. This is the plus 12 volt line and blue one is the minus 12 volt line, and the green one is the AC voltage from the transformer secondary. Now you can simulate and see the outputs. Save it and close the project. Try to simulate your own circuit. Thank you for watching.